And welcome back to another video, another episode of Coffee and Stocks. In today's video, we are going to talk about lithium, right? Obviously, a lot of you have already done research on lithium batteries, on lithium itself. But before we get started, can I please ask you guys to drop a like on this video, as well as press that amazing subscribe button. It does go a long way in supporting the channel. I do thank every single one of you guys, and obviously you guys are super amazing. You guys really motivate me to keep doing more research, and you know, it helps you and it also helps me because you know, it prepares me for the future, which is really great. Today, so don't forget to drop a like, a subscribe, and comment down below. So today we are talking about Standard Lithium Ltd, currently only trading on the OTC markets, right? Let me zoom in for you guys. Only on the OTC markets, currently going for $2.69, which is not too bad. I mean, you still can't consider this a penny stock, so please be careful because the volatility is crazy. Even if you don't see a lot of big changes or it stays, you know, within a certain range, volatility is still pretty bad, you know, within the penny stocks. So please be careful. So it did open up today at $2.84, which was pretty good, and then it just dropped about, you know, 5% to the downside. Obviously, even dropping as low as, what do you see right here, 265 and 267. Yeah, so 265 was the lowest one it dropped. Not too bad. I mean, the 52-week high is $3.65. It's not too bad. So why am I talking? You see the volatility right here? It's crazy. I know it might only be a few cents and it comes back up in a few cents, but once you own thousands and thousands of shares of something like this, then it can become a problem. So let's go ahead and look into their website. And you know, lithium, if you guys really think about it, a lot of EV companies are looking for lithium. Now, they come from Earth, obviously. They are used in batteries, especially now that there is quite a bit of EV companies out there that are looking for major and big places to excavate this lithium for. It's going to become huge in the future. You might not see this explode so much right now, but in the future, once this really takes off like crazy, then we will see huge you know, spikes, and everything is going to go to the moon. I mean, $2.69 is not going to be much compared to what it's going to be in the future. So they are applying innovative proprietary technologies and strategic partnerships to build the first new U.S. lithium projects in over 5 decades. They have Arkansas. They have a new project in Arkansas that we're gonna Arkansas. That we're gonna talk about in the future. I mean, in a little bit. So definitely keep that in mind. Building the next U.S. lithium project. Obviously, you can see it right here. Arkansas produces about 9.4 billion gallons of brine annually, according to 2016 average statistics reported by the Arkansas Oil and Gas Commission. So that is pretty interesting to really listen to. I mean, you really look into a lot of companies that excavate and mine lithium, because that produces a lot for those companies to buy off of. And I'm pretty sure the price of lithium has gone up, which is kind of not alarming, but it's something to know, because if there is a lot of other companies that are mining for lithium, then the prices go, you know, a little bit lower since it's supply and demand. But currently, Lithium Powering of the Future, or you know, Standard Lithium Ltd, is the biggest miner right now in the US. It is the biggest one in the US, which obviously, I don't know about you guys, but I like to invest in companies that are the biggest, you know, that are making a huge difference in the future, and this is definitely one of them, which to me is really freaking great. So as you guys can see right here, one of the news that came out on March 1st, 2021 is Standard Lithium successfully produces more than 99.985% purity battery quality lithium carbonate using OEM technology and commences lithium hydroxide conversion program. So they are producing a big percentage, obviously 99.98%. I mean, come on. Now successfully demonstrated 2 different flow sheets for producing battery quality carbonate, which is really great because then they could, you know, present it to future companies or current companies that are going to use those type of materials. Not much going on. The last thing that happened was March 12th, and it was the Standard Lithium CEO Robert Mintak. They were going to participate in the fireside chat at the 33rd annual Roth conference on Monday, March 5th. Today, about 10 minutes ago. Anyways, some more company information that you guys need to know. Obviously, I'm not a financial advisor, so please, this is huge. I am not a financial advisor. Please contact your financial advisor or do your own research, do your own due diligence, because that makes a difference in, you know, just following what some guy on YouTube is making, because obviously you shouldn't just invest in a company because some guy on YouTube is saying that, or guys on YouTube are saying that. So a little bit more about the company overview. Obviously, they apply different strategic partnership standards of lithium, and it's poised to bring the new US based lithium project in over 50 years into production. That is something that is very, very unique. Obviously, as you guys can see right here, 50 plus years of, you know, that they had, no one's done this in a long time. So, the company's flagship South Arkansas project is one of the largest. Look at this. One of the largest and most advanced lithium brine project in the US. The 3.9 million ton lithium carbonate equivalent resource to 175,000 acre project is located in South Arkansas. And this is the home of the 2 North America's largest brine production and processing facilities. So they got so much area, they got so much to mine, which is pretty good, because in my point of view, I mean, if you're one of the biggest one that mines this lithium, you're gonna, you know, have a lot of bigger companies like Tesla or other companies, you know, like, I don't know, other EV companies, I'm guessing. They're gonna come up to you and they're gonna, you know, they're gonna ask you to give them a share of the lithium, and you're gonna be able to charge whatever you want. But obviously it depends on supply and demand. But $2.69 is not bad, guys. $2.69 for each stock is not bad. You do have to understand that in the last month, it's gone down 15%. It does have a lot of volatility, which is pretty alarming. But if you're used to that and you're used to riskier stocks, then this should be fine no matter what. Obviously this is, and I'll leave this link down below because this one is really good to read, and obviously do your own research. A Standard Lithium choose South Arkansas as a key development target due to its very large resource potential, with a well-studied and documented brine deposit combined with a pro-business environment, a region with more than 5 decades for commercial brine production, the associated infrastructure, pipelines and wheels, etc., etc., etc. One of the largest, guys, in the US. It is freaking wild. I mean, I'll leave this down below as key points. Obviously, as you guys can see, annual production 20,900 tons of lithium carbonate. It's been operated for 25 years, and total capital expenditure estimate of $437 million, amongst other stuff. So I'll definitely leave this link down below. You guys should definitely do your own research, but I personally like this stock because I do believe in the future it will go above $5-10, and this will definitely explode and make us a lot of gains in the future. Anyways, that was today's video. Hopefully you guys liked it. Don't forget to drop a like in this video, as well as press that amazing subscribe button. You know, it does go a long way in supporting the channel, and I do thank every single one of you guys. Comment down below anything you want me to talk about, and I will do a little bit more research on that, and I will be back on more on coffee and stocks.